This is the Vintage Coach Chunky Case, style number 7165 in the color British Tan, and I would estimate it was most likely made in the 90s. It doesn't have a specific date or anything on it, but that would be my guess. And as you can see, it comes with the matching hang tag. It's a two-sided hang tag, so each side says Coach, and it has a zip top closure, as you can see. And here's the front again. It's got the little Coach cartouche stamped here on one side on the front. And then the back looks identical to the front basically, but no cartouche stamp. And then here's what the sides look like. And here's the bottom. It's got these two little seams on the bottom here. And then when we open it, I'll show you. It is lined on the inside. So this is a great little case if you want to carry maybe some makeup or some other little small items that you want to keep separated in your bag. And the Chunky Case is available now in our online store. I will leave the link below, and we also have a bunch of other Chunky Cases as well in various colors. So the main link to our store will be below too if you wanted to check out any of the other Chunky Cases that we have. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you next time.